Xiaomi has released the first Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 phone lineup, the Xiaomi 17 series, and now, it's gearing up to launch an affordable flagship lineup, the Redmi K90 series. The Redmi K90 Pro is expected to launch in the global market as the Poco F8 Ultra, and a recent leak has already suggested that it will feature a high-end rear camera setup. The Redmi K90 Pro and Poco F8 Ultra will share the same main camera using a 1/1.3 type sensor, and this is likely to be the exact same camera used in the recently unveiled Xiaomi 17, a 50MP primary camera. Moving over to the telephoto camera, which could be 50MP Samsung's ISOCELL JN5. The ultrawide may be using OmniVision's OV50M sensor, with 50MP. So it's looking like the Redmi K90 Pro and the Poco F8 Ultra will have much more of a focus on camera quality than any of their predecessors. Xiaomi has yet to share official details about this upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 flagship, but the Redmi K90 Pro is expected to launch later in October 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.